Snoring in children is not cute, it is a warning sign. When adults snore, people joke about it. When children snore, people call it adorable. But a child that snores regularly is a child whose airway is partially blocked while he's asleep. The most common reason is enlarged tonsils or adenoids, which are the small tissue pads at the back of the throat that can suddenly grow too big. When a child cannot breathe properly at night, their brain starts waking them up slightly to restart breathing, so they never reach deep sleep. This is why some children with this condition are hyperactive, they struggle to focus in school, and sometimes they even wet the bed. It is not a behavior problem. They are exhausted. They didn't get enough sleep at night. So as a parent, when you notice this in your child, take them to the hospital first.